Alright, here's the script. Hey everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today we're going to break down how to cancel subscriptions right on your iPhone. It's super easy. First things first, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, tap on your name at the very top. You'll see a list of info about your Apple account. Next, tap on Subscriptions. Give it a sec, and it'll show you all your active subscriptions, and below that, your inactive ones. Okay, to cancel a subscription, just tap on the one you want to get rid of. You'll see all the details about it. Now, tap on Cancel Subscription. A little pop-up will appear, telling you when your subscription will expire. Now, sometimes it expires right away, and other times it'll expire at the end of the current subscription period. In my case, it'll expire on January 3rd, which is about a month from now.
When you're ready, tap Confirm.
After a few seconds, that subscription will be cancelled, and you won't be charged any further payments. If you ever want to renew it, just come back to this page and tap Renew. Keep in mind that when you cancel a subscription, it'll also be cancelled on all your other Apple devices that are signed in to the same Apple account.
Alright, that's it.
We can exit out of our settings and use our iPhone as normal. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Also, remember that this is based on my personal experience, and you can find helpful links in the description. And if you want to see more handy tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to RoamTips.com. Thanks for watching.